Deetya here from Non-Academic, and recently we were given 3 questions about the perspective building workshop, and here I am to answer them. So, the perspective building workshop to me is where I open my eyes, ears, and minds to my surroundings, and then it helps me. You see, when I open my eyes, ears, and mind and find challenges through my surroundings and come up with reasonable solutions to it, it helps me by that to look through my surroundings. And then by all this, we also got to know the perspective building workshop. It is correlated with our unique thoughts. You see, when we think of challenges faced around us in our daily lives and come up with reasonable solutions to it, we basically make a unique thought out of it. So I hope you like my video, but for now, bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.